Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Rice isn't just a side dish in Middle Eastern cooking, it's a foundation. It plays a central role in countless traditional meals, from hearty main courses to flavorful accompaniments. You'll find it featured in almost every gathering and family dinner. What makes Arabic rice so special? It's all in the details, from the type of grain used to specific spices and unique cooking techniques. These methods create distinct textures and aromatic profiles that are truly unforgettable. The pillars of Arabic rice, key ingredients. Creating authentic Arabic rice involves more than just cooking grains. It depends on choosing the right ingredients. Each component contributes to the final taste and texture. Let's explore the essential elements that give Arabic rice its unmistakable flavor. Choosing the right grains, basmati and beyond. The foundation of great Arabic rice starts with the grain. Long grain rice, especially basmati, is often the top pick. Its slender grains cook up fluffy and separate, not sticky. This is crucial for the signature texture of many Arabic dishes. Basmati rice also has a unique, nutty aroma that enhances the overall dish. While basmati is ideal, other rice types can work. For instance, you might use American long grain rice. However, these alternatives may change the final result. They can affect the texture and absorb flavors differently. Always consider how your choice impacts the dish. Aromatic spices, the heart of the flavor. Spices are vital to Arabic rice. They deliver the deep, complex flavors you expect. Common spices create a warm and inviting aroma. Cardamom adds a distinctive floral and slightly sweet note. Cinnamon brings warmth and a subtle sweetness. Cloves offer a strong, pungent, and sweet aroma. Bay leaves provide a mild, herbal background. Black pepper gives a gentle heat and sharpness. These spices work together, building layers of taste. They transform simple rice into a fragrant and delicious experience. Healthy fats, ghee, butter, and olive oil. Fats are essential in Arabic cooking. They do more than just cook the rice. They add richness, help develop flavor, and give the rice a beautiful sheen. Ghee, clarified butter, is a popular choice. It has a rich, nutty flavor and a high smoke point. Using ghee helps sauté spices and onions. This brings out their flavors before you add the rice. Butter offers a creamy texture and a familiar, comforting taste. It can be used alongside ghee or on its own for a milder richness. Olive oil provides a fruity, sometimes peppery, note. It's often used for a lighter finish or in combination with other fats. These fats ensure the rice cooks evenly and achieves a tender consistency. Broths and liquids, enhancing the depth. The liquid you use significantly impacts the rice's final flavor and moisture. It's not just about cooking the grains. It's about infusing them with depth. Using quality chicken or lamb broth is common. These broths add umami and body that water can't match. They make the rice taste richer and more savory. Even using plain water, though, can yield good results. If you use water, the spices and other ingredients become even more prominent. The liquid absorbs all the flavors during cooking. This creates tender, aromatic grains. Varieties of Arabic rice dishes. Arabic cuisine boasts a rich array of rice dishes, each telling a story of its origin through unique flavors and cooking methods. These dishes go far beyond simple rice, offering a hearty and aromatic experience that satisfies every palate. From smoky preparations to those infused with zesty dried lime, you will find a distinct character in each regional specialty. Mandi, the smoky and aromatic experience. Mandi is a celebrated Yemeni dish, famous for its distinct smoky flavor. This comes from its traditional preparation in a tandoor oven or tabin. The meat, often lamb or chicken, cooks slowly alongside the rice, absorbing all the aromatic spices. The slow cooking makes the meat incredibly tender and juicy. The rice, usually basmati, captures the essence of the meat and the smoky notes from the cooking process. Mandi is typically served on a large platter, making it ideal for sharing among family and friends. Kabsa, Saudi Arabia's signature dish. Kabsa stands as Saudi Arabia's national dish, a hearty combination of rice, mixed spices, meat and vegetables. This dish is known for its rich flavors and vibrant color, often from ingredients like tomatoes and carrots. Chicken and lamb are common choices for the meat component. Kabsa dishes vary throughout the region, with each household often having its own special spice blend. It is commonly adorned with nuts, fried onions, or even boiled eggs before serving, making it a visually appealing centerpiece for any meal. Mijbouz, Gulf region's flavorful staple. Mijbouz, also known as mijbouz, is a beloved rice dish across the Gulf region, especially in Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar. Its distinguishing feature is the generous use of aromatic spices and dried lime, called lumi. This small, dark lime adds a unique, tangy and slightly smoky flavor. Mijbouz typically includes meat like chicken, lamb, or fish, cooked until tender. The rice absorbs the fragrant spices and the zesty notes of the lumi, creating a deeply flavorful and comforting meal. Sayadi, the fisherman's rice. Sayadi is a classic seafood rice dish from Lebanon and Syria. It is often called fisherman's rice because of its main ingredient, fish. This dish gets its characteristic dark color and sweet savory taste from caramelized onions. The onions are slow cooked until they turn a deep brown, creating a rich base. Fried fish fillets, often snapper or cod, are then layered on top of or mixed into the rice. A sprinkle of toasted nuts and fresh parsley often finishes this flavorful and aromatic dish. Ros Bukhari, a Central Asian influence. Ros Bukhari is a unique rice dish with origins in Bukhara, a city in Central Asia. It has made its way into many Middle Eastern cuisines, particularly in some parts of the Arabian Peninsula. This dish stands out from other savory rice dishes because of its sweeter profile. It often includes carrots and raisins, which add a subtle sweetness and different textures. While it can feature lamb or chicken, the emphasis remains on the balance of sweet and savory notes provided by the vegetables and fruits. Essential techniques for perfect Arabic rice. You've learned about the key ingredients that make Arabic rice special. Now, let's look at the important techniques that turn simple grains into a fluffy, flavorful masterpiece. Mastering these steps is what takes your Arabic rice from ordinary to extraordinary. We'll cover everything from preparing the rice to the final steaming, ensuring every grain is separate and perfectly cooked. We've uncovered the key ingredients and cultural roots of Arabic rice. But the real magic comes when you bring it all together in the kitchen. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.